welcome to Teacher Yuki. Today, we are going to talk about the farm animals. So, what's the farm animals? Let's find out. Alright, let's get started. We're gonna talk about the farm animal, but I'll give you some farm animal noise as well. So we're going to start from this animal. Do you know who is this? It's a cow. They got a brown cow, white cow, black and white cow, maybe black cow as well. There's a different type of color of the cow. But do you know what's the noise like? I'll tell you. Moo. Moo. Okay? Alright. What's next? What's this? It's a sheep. They are white. So their animal sounds is ba, ba. Okay? What's next? What's this? They are slightly pink, and then they got a curled tail, and also they love mud. Do you know what are they? It's a pig. So they make this noise. It's funny. Oink oink, oink oink. What's next? Alright, what's this? They also has a different colors. Brown, white, black. And they have a hair here. And then they run so fast. It's a horse. They make a neigh. Neigh. It's a very interesting noise, isn't it? Alright. Maybe you know this one easily. They also have a different color, different size. Yes, it's a dog. They make a noise like this. Woof, 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 woof. Okay. How about this one? What's this? It's a bird. Yes, it's a duck. They make quack, 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 quack. Alright, next. It's very similar to a duck, yeah, but it's a different type of bird. It's a chicken. They make like cuckoo-doo-doo-doo, cuckoo-doo-doo-doo. Alright, last one. What is it? They also has a different type of colors, and they're quite small animals, and a different size. It's a cat. What's a cat make sounds like? Meow, meow, meow. Alright, so we know a cow, a pig, sheep, and horse, dog, duck, and cat. Oh, I forgot the chicken. Alright, we learned 8 different animals from farm. Okay, so today we're gonna sing a song, which is a famous song about farm animals. Alright, let's sing a song. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. And moo moo here and moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald has a duck. E-I-E-I-O. And quack, quack here and quack, quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. So, if you know this song, you can continue to sing. Just change the name of the animals and animal sounds. Like a moo moo, baba. Horses can be neigh, neigh. And chicken, cock-a-doodle-doo. Alright, so please practice. It's fun to sing and then you know the funny animals, the animal sound, which is very easy. And then there's another song is very recommend. We sing a Baba Black Sheep. This is also a very famous song and popular and easy to remember. So please sing this song as well. Alright, thank you for watching my new video today. If you like it, please subscribe or share to your friend. If you have any question or request, please give me a message. I'm waiting for you. Otherwise, have a great day. See you next time. Bye!